Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to set or change order status for downloadable product for all payment gateway to complete it using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in checkout page and this is our downloadable product. Now go to edit product and then you see we select downloadable checkbox for product. So this is our digital product. Now back to checkout page. First we are going to place order without custom code. Now you see payment gateway we have. Now select cash on delivery. Enable this option and then click on place order. Now order received done. Go to order section in WooCommerce and refresh the page. Then you see this is a new order and order status is on hold. So we are going to change order status for all payment gateway for downloadable product to complete it. If you select any payment gateway like direct bank transfer, PayPal, Stripe, credit card, cash on delivery, check payment, so all payment gateway order status will be completed. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down, you can add title, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down, select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now in code you see product ID and then you see is downloadable if found true. Then we are going to update status completed for all payment gateway we have for downloadable product, and then scroll down, you see insert method, auto install location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to checkout page, click on shop page and we are going to place order again. So this is our downloadable product, so click on add to cart and then click on proceed to checkout. So we are in checkout page and then scroll down. So you can select any payment gateway, then you see direct bank transfer, check payment, cash on delivery, credit card, PayPal. So each payment gateway order status will be completed. So we select cash on delivery. If you select credit card or PayPal, after adding code, order status will be completed for both credit card and PayPal payment gateway also. Enable this option and then click on place order. Now order received done. Go to order section in WooCommerce, refresh the page. And then you see this is a new order for downloadable product and then you see order status completed. If you select PayPal or Stripe or any payment gateway, then order status will be completed for all payment gateway we have in checkout page. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.